I think the sham of the party is to Ekiti State.
Sorry?
Sham of PDP in Ekiti State is there.
Okay. Well, let me take the name.
People of Ekiti State, for this judgment well delivered by the Court of Appeal on this election petition. It has shown that the people of Ekiti State have voted rightly on June 21, and we just hope this matter will be rested once and for all.
Jesus has spoken the mind of Ekiti people because they have actually said the exact thing that happened during the election. First and foremost, the election went on smoothly without any hitch.
They were very thorough. They have displayed uncommon industry. The judgment is decidedly comprehensive. Our client, the governor, has been thoroughly vindicated. Specifically, two issues that underpin this case have been resolved in favor of the governor. One, the issue of impeachment has been held unequivocally not to be a ground for disqualification in an election. Secondly, the issue of alleged forgery of HND certificate has also been held in favor of the governor. As a matter of fact, their lordships took PW9 and PW11 to the cleaners. In the case of PW9, it was found as a fact that he is more or less an illiterate who didn't know what he was saying. The court also went further to say that PW11 did not add any value whatsoever. In other words, their lordships were very clear that the evidential burden of proof regarding allegation of forgery rested on the appellant, and the appellant miserably failed to discharge that elementary burden of proof. Not only that, their lordships equally confirmed as a fact that this so-called alleged forgery of HND certificate had actually been resolved in an earlier case, in the case of AD against Fayose. In other words, that case raises what we call issue estoppel against the appellant. So hook, line, and sinker, Governor Fayose has been vindicated by this judgment. So as regards what their lordship said on the soldiers, that was by the way. It doesn't go to the root of this appeal. The main issue is impeachment a disqualifying factor? No. Did they prove forgery of certificate? No. The court heard it so. And to that extent, we are delighted, we are excited about this judgment just delivered.
Fundamentally important to our democracy. For instance, they have declared as a legal deployment of military to conduct an election. They don't have any rule under the Constitution. They do not have any rule under even the Armed Forces Act. Therefore, that's a landmark to say in future elections the army should not be deployed. Although we would have expected the court to go further to say, having found that the military was present everywhere during the conduct of election in Ekiti State, to have gone further to declare that election null and void. Nobody ought to have been a return winner of that election. But all the same, it was a commendable decision.